We'll take our classic garlic sauce recipe and make it into an avocado garlic sauce. You know, in the Caribbean, we love our garlic sauce. So, we got garlic. I've got some rice wine vinegar. I've got some cilantro. If you are in the Caribbean and you have access to shallot or cilantro, you can use that. Honey. The honey I'm using today is called a buckwheat honey, but you can use any honey you have available to you. Avocado or zabuka. We've got some Dijon mustard, some mayonnaise, the juice of half of a lemon. I've got a small shallot. We'll need some sea salt and some black pepper. If you want to make it spicy, you can toss in a scotch bonnet pepper in there. I'm leaving it as it is because this is to dip those air fryer wings that we made. Rather than waste all the time with a whole long video, what we're gonna do, basically everything here is going into a food processor or a blender, in my case my Magic Bullet, and I'll have the full list of ingredients down below, so don't fret. But basically I'd ask you to do one thing, well, three things. Give the cilantro a rough chop, give the shallot, peel it and give it a rough chop, and the garlic, you want to crush the garlic first. It'll be easier for the whatever device you're using to make the garlic sauce, you know, the classic avocado garlic sauce. I went ahead and I give the garlic, the shallot and the cilantro. I'm not too worried about how fine I chop it up, because this little beast here will do its thing, you know what I mean? So we just dump in everything inside there like so, and I like to put the heavy stuff, which will be, once I flip it over, it'll be on the top, so all the liquid is on the bottom where the blades are, so it makes it easier for the blade to do its thing. So we've got that in there. Just gonna bow hit that like so, and hit them a couple slices of that. We're not trying to, this can be very fatty, yeah, because we have mayonnaise and the avocado going in here, so that's why I'm only using half of a medium-sized avocado. If you want to use a spoon and scoop it out, I mean the same, that is what you just do, that is what you just do. I'm gonna go in with that rice wine vinegar, and the acid in that is gonna help with all the fattiness of it. We need more vinegar, so that, not vinegar but acid. We've got the lemon juice. I've got that Dijon mustard, that buckwheat honey, and try and get a nice mayonnaise, yeah? It will give you a better garlic sauce in the long run. Don't try to cheap out too much. Now sometimes we can't afford it, so that's cool too. But what I'm saying, if you can't afford it, get a nice mayonnaise. Just gonna scoop all of that in there. Full list of ingredients will be listed down below. And all I want to do is give that a whiz until it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna go in with a half a teaspoon of brown sugar as well, because I want to have that nice sweetness. And like I said, if you wanted to add a little scotch bonnet pepper, or a little habanero, a little jalapeno, whatever kind of pino kind of thing you want to do, just go ahead. It's all you. Watch now. Just watch. Ever so often, get some a little shaky shake. If you want to put a little drizzle of water in there, you can do that to make it a bit more runny. Just gonna give them a little shaky shake. Just gonna crack it open. Gotta love the consistency I got there. Just look at that. I'm just gonna hit that a little. Oh boy, Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris. I'm telling you, boy. Adjust the salt if it needs to, alright? Don't mind me. Adjust that salt if you need to. Sup, soldiers? Listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I mean, trying to tell people the email address, them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pod. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irene? Irene. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.